In this segment, we'll show you how to assemble your new Agri-Fab 10 cubic foot polycart. We'll begin by inserting the foot pedal, part 5, through the slot in the tongue, part 7. Then slide a 5/16 by 4 inch hex bolt, part 13, through the tongue, followed by a 5/16 SEMS hex nut, part 16. Leave this SEMS nut loose for now. Then slide the bolt further through the lever, followed by another SEMS nut, and then through the other side of the tongue. Now secure the end with a 5/16 inch nylock hex nut, part 17, and tighten it so the hex bolt can rotate freely. Now tighten the SEMS nuts against the foot pedal so that it's centered in the slot. Next, hook the short end of the spring, part 21, into the hole in the foot pedal latch. Then use the spring puller tool, part 23, to hook the long end of the spring into the square hole in the tongue. Now align the hitch bracket, part 9, with the tongue, and fully secure it with two 5/16 by 1 inch hex bolts, part 12, and two 5/16 inch nylock hex nuts, part 17. Then insert the hitch pin, part 20, and secure it with a 3/32 inch hair cotter pin, part 18. Now turn the wheel support, part 2, upside down and slide the axle, part 6, through the holes in the tongue closest to the foot pedal. Then slide on an axle keeper, part 22, followed by 2 medium washers, part 14. Next, slide on a wheel, part 8. Then slide on 1 medium washer, part 14. Now secure the wheel with a 1/8 by 1 1/4 inch cotter pin, part 19. Then repeat for the other wheel. Now align the latch stand plate, part 3, and latch stand bracket, part 4, with the poly tray, part 1. Ensure that the latch stand bracket faces as shown. Then secure it with 4/4 inch by 3/4 inch hex bolts, part 10, and 4/4 inch nylock nuts, part 15. Next, align the tray assembly with the drawbar wheel assembly. And secure it using 8 5/16 by 3/4 inch hex bolts, part 11, and 8 5/16 inch nylock hex nuts, part 17. Your new Agri-Fab 10 cubic foot polycart is now fully assembled and ready to use. Make sure to watch the following segment for safety, operation, and maintenance instructions.